Welcome to Highway Herald, your go-to for the latest in auto. Today we're tackling a heated issue: electric vehicle fires. While EVs promise a greener future, there's a hidden danger: explosive battery fires. These aren't minor incidents. Parking lot infernos and close calls are raising alarm among EV owners. With unpredictable fires sparking anywhere, these vehicles are starting to feel like ticking time bombs. Let's dive into the real risks behind the electric car revolution. Number 7. BMS failure, a recipe for disaster. Battery management systems, BMS, play a vital role in modern electric vehicles by monitoring battery health, temperature, and charge levels. However, recent data shows that BMS failures are a growing factor in EV fire incidents. A 2024 study revealed that malfunctioning BMS often fails to detect hazardous battery conditions, leading to a dangerous phenomenon called thermal runaway, which contributes significantly to EV fires. A recent incident in the Netherlands exemplifies this issue. Investigators found that the vehicle's BMS did not warn the driver of an overheating battery, allowing the situation to escalate into a destructive fire that damaged several other cars. Despite technological advancements, many BMS systems are outdated and struggle with the extreme thermal conditions of high-capacity batteries. Experts stress the need for better BMS technology, including advanced sensors, improved thermal management, and more sophisticated algorithms to predict and prevent potential fire risks. Without these upgrades, EVs will remain vulnerable to ongoing fire hazards. Number 6. The 7-hour water war. Earlier this year, an electric Audi caught fire in Hackensack, showcasing the unique challenges of EV fires. Firefighters arrived quickly, but spent 7 hours and thousands of gallons of water to control the blaze, ultimately losing the vehicle. Unlike typical car fires, EVs pose a higher risk due to their lithium-ion batteries, which can trigger thermal runaway. This process causes the fire to generate more heat, escalating temperatures up to 5,000 degrees Fahrenheit, far beyond the 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit seen in traditional car fires. Even after extinguishing the flames, EV fires present the risk of reignition. Studies indicate about 13% of EVs can reignite, sometimes even months later. One notable incident in Tennessee required over 45,000 gallons of water, 10 times the amount typically used for a gas-powered vehicle fire. The intensity and unpredictability of these fires continue to challenge first responders, highlighting the need for new safety measures as EV adoption grows. Number 5. EVs burn everywhere. Fire incidents involving EVs are a global concern. In Korea, China, Europe, and the US, EVs have caught fire in parking lots, streets, and even transport ships. A devastating example occurred in the North Sea, where a cargo ship carrying 3,800 vehicles was destroyed after an EV ignited, resulting in all vehicles burning and one crew member tragically losing their life. The danger extends beyond vehicles. In Korea, a fire at the Aerosol battery plant claimed 23 lives when 35,000 batteries ignited. Similar incidents have occurred in China, Europe, and the US, demonstrating that EV risks follow vehicles from production to transportation and beyond. As EVs become more common, so do these fire-related incidents, raising serious concerns about the industry's preparedness for mass adoption. With faulty battery management systems and fires threatening public safety, it's clear the industry faces significant challenges that need urgent attention. Before we delve deeper, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe to Highway Herald. Your support fuels our passion to create more content like this. Now let's explore number 4, China's Inferno, and the world follows. Despite advancements in speed, features, and autonomy, electric vehicles still grapple with a significant issue: fire risk. As EV adoption surges, so do the incidents of EV fires, with China emerging as a hotspot. While recent data is sparse, it's telling that over 3,000 fire incidents were reported in 2021 alone. Given the explosive growth of EVs in the world's leading EV market, these numbers are likely even higher now. Recent events highlight the ongoing risk. In India, an all-electric Volvo C40 ignited on the highway, and a recent Oslo incident underscored the dangers at charging stations. Densely populated areas are particularly vulnerable. For instance, a March fire in Colorado began with an EV and escalated into a full-scale garage blaze. Similarly, an April incident in Shanghai saw a residential parking garage suffer severe structural damage after several electric cars caught fire. These incidents reveal that fire risks associated with EVs remain a pressing concern. Number 3. Unexpected combustions. Electric vehicle batteries are engineered to store vast amounts of energy, and when that energy is released through fire, it creates a hazardous situation. We've already discussed how high the temperatures can reach during an EV fire, but what might be even more alarming is the unpredictability of these incidents. Spontaneous combustion is one of the biggest concerns when it comes to electric vehicles. You'd think that EV fires would occur during charging or while the car is in motion, but surprisingly, these vehicles have been known to catch fire while sitting idle in parking lots, not even plugged in. This unpredictability is due to various design flaws and manufacturing defects that remain unaddressed. A single defective battery cell can cause a chain reaction, leading to overheating and potentially a fire. Furthermore, internal short circuits can arise from damaged components, further heightening the risk. Factors such as extreme heat or collisions only add to the danger. This leads many critics to argue that electric vehicles are like ticking time bombs, and their concerns aren't entirely unfounded. Number 2. Charging stations and fire hazards. As electric vehicle adoption grows, the strain on existing charging infrastructure reveals significant fire hazards. A recent fire at a high-traffic charging station in San Francisco underscored the problem. An overloaded electrical panel failed under the load from multiple fast-charging units. Many charging stations, especially older ones, lack comprehensive safety features. They often miss critical elements like automatic shut-off mechanisms and real-time monitoring systems that can catch and address electrical faults before they lead to fires. The high volume of charging exacerbates these issues. Inadequate installation and maintenance have led to overheating cables and connectors caused by poor cooling systems or excessive wear and tear. These conditions create dangerous fires that can damage vehicles and surrounding property. Experts recommend upgrading charging infrastructure to include advanced safety protocols, regular maintenance, and enhanced monitoring systems. These improvements are crucial for preventing fires and ensuring safer charging environments for EV users. Number 1. The Incheon garage fire incident. Electric vehicles have been in mass production for over a decade, but key safety concerns persist. While EVs are faster and boast better range and charging times, they still face the same fire risks, only now on a larger scale due to increased production. Densely populated cities with underground parking lots are especially vulnerable. A recent fire in Incheon, South Korea, underscored these dangers. An all-electric Mercedes-Benz caught fire in an underground garage, spreading quickly and destroying 140 vehicles. The blaze caused significant damage to the building, leaving residents without power or water, forcing many to seek temporary shelter. CCTV footage showed the EV catching fire without external cause. While the sprinkler system malfunctioned, experts argue it likely wouldn't have stopped the fire. Now, residents are questioning whether the automaker will take responsibility. Korean safety experts are pushing for stricter EV regulations, including limiting charging to 90% in underground garages and installing fireproof barriers. With 74 EV fire incidents in Korea in 2023, up from 24 in 2021, the risks are increasing. If you found this video helpful and want to stay up to date on the latest vehicle trends and news, make sure to subscribe to Highway Herald. Don't forget to leave a comment to start a conversation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.